Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Sierra Madre Gold and Silver's corporate update on Commodity TV. This program has been paid for and produced on behalf of Sierra Madre Gold and Silver, for your notice. Production is in full swing at Sierra Madre and the share price is performing well. The company wants to further expand the Guitarra Mine and has big plans. In the short term, it wants to increase capacity by over 50% by the second quarter of 2026. This is then set to rise to 750 to 800 tons per day and then double again to 1,200 to 1,500 tons per day by the third quarter of 2027. The first expansion would include the construction of a paste, fill and thickening plant, the addition of a fourth ball mill and a second cone crusher, and an increase in the material transport capacity of the conveyor circuit. Subsequently, the construction of a new fully approved tailing storage facility and the addition of a second crushing circuit would increase processing capacity to the targeted levels in the third quarter of 2027. Importantly, the company has the necessary capital to carry out these expansions, meaning that everything can be financed from cash on hand and ongoing cash flow with no additional capital required. Alex Langer, the CEO, commented, "Having commenced commercial production at La Guitarra just 9 months ago, we are now looking forward to planning our next two important milestones, which will result in a significant capacity expansion at the site over the next 24 months. Once all production expansions are fully operational, these two phased expansions will more than double our throughput from current levels while delivering cost savings through realized economies of scale," he said. This phased expansion does not require any additional permits. And procurement and purchasing of the second cone crusher and ball mill has begun, with delivery for the first phase expected in November 2025. Thanks to the highly efficient team at La Guitarra, it is expected that everything will be completed on time and within budget. There will be significantly downtime for the plant and mining operations throughout the expansion phase. The company intends to minimize these disruptions and use this downtime to prioritize ongoing maintenance work on the plant and spoil heaps. For example, Sierra Madre recently replaced the main spoil pump circuit with a new system offering higher capacity and greater efficiency. During this time, the plant was only out of operation for 36 hours. That's nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Sierra Madre is performing exceptionally well and growing organically to new heights. It is also important to produce profitably and further reduce costs through economics of scale. The chart has broken out and is providing a buy signal. It has also broken out of the upper trend range. Our next price target is $1.60 range, and the longer term we see plus $2 for the stock. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything related to commodities. Please note the disclaimer. The stock discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and SRC, its employees and/or I and myself may be or are shareholders of the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.